Welcome to another year of BSF. As a group leader, when you log into mybsf.org, you'll notice a new item on the left-hand side labeled Reports. By clicking on Reports, you'll see options for Adults and Attendance. To get started, click on Adults. This will bring up the placement list by group report. By clicking on it, you'll see a list of the members in your group for this year's study. On the right-hand side, there's a View Report tab. Click on this tab to see the full list of members in your group. For example, you might have 13 members in your group. Now that you have your group list, it's time to reach out, introduce yourself, and welcome them to BSF. Here's one way to do it. I like to start by sending each member a text message. The reason is simple: many people don't answer calls from unknown numbers. By texting first, they'll know you're their group leader and will have your phone number saved. Here's an example of an initial text you might send. Example text: I have the privilege to study the book of Revelation with you this year at BSF. We'll start on Monday, September 9th at 6:55 p.m. Please let me know you received this text and are still planning to attend this year. Also, please save my contact information so you'll recognize my calls. I look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. Next, I begin working on their name tags. Many group leaders choose to have a print shop create the name tags or print them themselves and then have them laminated. Some of our admin team members use an ID card 3-in-1 punch to round the corners and add a slot for the lanyard or clip check with them to see if they have one. Here's another approach I like to use. I include our BSF schedule for the year on the back of the name tag, along with emergency contact information. I use Microsoft Word to create the name tags, but you can also use Canva or simply print the first and last name. Feel free to keep it as simple as you'd like. After creating the name tags, I email each group member with their name tag attached. Example email subject line: Study of Revelation, First Night Monday, September 9th, 2024, 7 p.m. Please review your name tag and reply. Email body: just a few more days until Monday, September 9th, when we begin our study of Revelation. On that night, we'll meet in the sanctuary first and then follow the group leader to our classroom. Attached is your name tag. See the PDF file. Please make sure the spelling is correct and check the information that will be on the back side of your name tag, including emergency contact details and the dates and times for the 2024 to 2025 calendar year. Please email or text me with the following details so I can complete your name tag. Your emergency contact's name, spouse, parent, friend, etc. Their relationship to you. A way to contact them: most use a cell phone number. If you have children in the school program, yes or no. Please reply to this email so I can have your name tag ready for our first class night. Thank you. When I hear back from them, I send a quick follow-up email, expressing my excitement to meet them. If I don't hear back, I'll give them a call and leave a voicemail. I continue to reach out through email, text, and calls. I hope this helps as you prepare for our BSF study.